16 centuries ago, a Mayan king named Mo laid the foundations of Copan, a site that has endured to this day. Built by artisans, Copan is rich in history and culture, which can be seen in magnificent stone sculptures and glyphs. It's been declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO for its glimpse into a Mayan dynasty. Set within a magical valley, Copán Ruinas is a quaint town with colonial architecture that has gained international fame. It is famous for its cultural, natural, and historical treasures, all carefully preserved by its people. Copán Ruinas welcomes all those seeking life experiences, provides insight into life during Mayan times, while creating lasting memories one can cherish for a lifetime. It is a mystical and inspirational destination for art and history enthusiasts, as well as those seeking to experience the world through all of the senses. It is a perfect place to meet old friends or to make new ones, and is a gateway for those seeking to reconnect with themselves. In Copán Ruinas, past and present are not far from each other. The historical site and the town are so close that you can walk between them. Simply crossing a river allows avid bird watchers to see hundreds of species of birds in their natural habitats. It is an ideal destination for those who seek unique experiences. Allow yourself to stop time, silence your voice, and admire the beauty that presents itself before your eyes. Copan is a generous and fertile land that gives us fruits, flavors, and aromas that transport us to the past with just one taste. You will need all of your senses to grasp the endless experiences this land has to offer. Copan is a hub where cultures from around the world meet, and language is not a barrier. The perfect setting to understand our planet and connect with other cultures and beliefs. Visitors who come are not just tourists. In Copan, they are friends. Copanicos will work hard to make this a memorable journey. You can expect us to be your partners in your adventure. Whether you come for business or pleasure, Copán Ruinas will welcome you with our traditional warmth, kindness, and service. Copán Ruinas is a unique, world-class destination. Dare to experience it.